Hello and welcome back. So in this session, we'll focus on the practical solution on how to build a prediction model to predict the heart disease. We are going to use Google Colab. As you could see that it's a very user-friendly platform that we can build our machine learning model on. So as we've discussed on the last session, we'll start by importing the tools and libraries that is needed. So let's comment this out. So we will say here importing. So there are several libraries that we're going to import. The first one is regular EDA, which is exploratory data and analysis and plotting libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. So let me comment this out. So the first library that we have to import is Pandas or NumPy. Let's say NumPy as NP. So this particular library will be used for the numerical and like numerical operations such as arrays or constructing metrics. And next library that we are going to import is Pandas. And Pandas is used for data manipulation, like creating data frames. Let's put its usage next to it so you can reference it later. If you want to go back to the code. Creating data frames. Also, as we mentioned that we want to have some plots. So we'll import the Matplotlib. Dot py plot as plt. The next library also we are going to use is Seaborn. Seaborn is statistical and data visualization, which is built on top of Matplotlib library. Import Seaborn as SNS. So these are the main libraries that we are going to use to conduct an EDA analysis for data and some plotting functions. Next, we are going to discuss about some of the machine learning models and machine learning libraries from Scikit-learn. So we have here some of the models that you are going to use from Scikit-learn. The first one is the logistic regression model, which is used for the classification problems or classification tasks, which our model, the heart disease prediction model, is depending on to solve based on classification problem. Scikit-learn dot linear model, import logistic So as we say that this one will be used for classification tasks. So let's comment this out. Next, we have key neighbors classifier, which is import a specific model, which is called KN. Classifier. And also, as you mentioned, that this one is gonna also be as tasks. since we are going to use that scikit-learn, going to import the logistic regression. We're also going to use random first classifier, which is also used for classification tasks. Ensemble method. Import forest classifier. Also, there is trend test split. This is gonna help us to split our data set into a training and train test split. This is gonna be used to divide our data set into training and testing sets.